Law is not just about statutes and legal provisions. It's about understanding how the world operates, how societies function, and how justice is delivered. I'm Ankita Tiwari, an assistant professor of law at KCC Institute of Legal and Higher Education. And my mission is to shape young legal minds for the future. I'm a BA LLB Honours graduate from National Law University, Patna. I completed my LLM specializing in constitutional law, which deepened my understanding to the complexities of governance and legal system. In my time as an assistant professor, I've had the privilege to teach unique subjects of law, including direct taxation laws, corporate laws, and public international law. For me, teaching is not just about delivering lectures, it's about bringing concepts to life. Some learners understand through discussions, others through case studies, and some through hands-on experiences. I ensure that learning is not a task, but an immersive experience, one that stays with my learners beyond the classrooms. Every learner is unique, and my approach is to understand their strengths, challenges, and aspirations. Some are drawn to the corporate world, others to litigation, some to judiciary, and some to government services. My role is to help them navigate their paths with clarity and confidence. Memorizing law isn't enough. I encourage my learners to think critically, to question and analyze. A strong legal mind is not just about knowing the law, it's about applying it effectively. In addition to teaching, I'm actively involved in the Legal Aid Bureau, where we provide free legal assistance to those in need. This initiative helps students experience the real-world impact of law and develop a deeper sense of social responsibility. Through practical exposure to client interactions and community engagement, the learner understands that the true essence of law lies in serving the society and ensuring access to justice for all. Law is dynamic. It evolves with time, and so must we. My goal is to instill adaptability and curiosity in my learners, helping them stay ahead in this ever-changing legal landscape. For me, the greatest reward is not just seeing my learners excel academically, but watching them grow into confident, independent thinkers. Education isn't just about answering questions. It's about learning to ask the right ones. And in law, that is perhaps the most powerful skill of all. If you're passionate about law and ready to explore its endless possibilities, my lecture halls at KCC Institute are the place for you. Let's embark on this journey together.